Like a bird chased away from its nest am I, before any offspring could hatch. Become a place of concealment for me. Conceal me from those oppressing me. If only I could hide from myself and from my shame. I am like a weight sinking down on in power. Judge fairly, swiftly execute righteousness in your power. Haughtiness and pride and empty talk will come to nothing. It copiously. Rejoicing and joyfulness have been taken away, and in the orchard there are no songs of joy. That is why I will weep over the vine of love. With my tears I will drench you, oh love, 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 love. Because your song